An Introduction to the Romanian Language, written and narrated by Elena Stan.
Welcome to Session 1 of our language course. Before we begin, remember that practice makes perfect. Don't worry about making mistakes. They're an essential part of the learning process. The biggest thing you can do to help your success throughout this course is to repeat the words you hear and guess the translations before you hear them. The course provides space for you to do that. You'll make a lot of mistakes, and that's absolutely fine. Don't be shy. The more you guess and practice, even if it's wrong or not perfect, the faster you will learn. Each mistake is another step to mastering the language. Practice is such an important part of learning a language, so make sure you say the words and guess the answers all the time during the course. You'll make the most of your time and learn much faster. If you're not making mistakes, you're not learning. Greetings. First, let's learn some greetings. This is how you say hello.
Bună ziua! Bună ziua! Bună ziua!
And here is how you say goodbye.
La revedere! La revedere! La revedere!
You say how are you like this.
Ce mai faci? Ce mai faci? Ce mai faci?
This is the way you say I am good.
Sunt bine. Sunt bine. Sunt bine.
Manners. Now we'll learn some words to improve your manners. You say please like this.
Te rog. Te rog. Te rog.
And now this is thank you.
Mulțumesc. Mulțumesc. Mulțumesc.
Names. Now here's how we talk about names. Here's how you ask, what is your name?
Cum te cheamă? Cum te cheamă? Cum te cheamă?
This is how you say, my name is.
Numele meu este. Numele meu este. Numele meu este.
Here are the numbers from 1 to 3.
1 2 3
Colors. Let's learn how to say colors. This is black.
Negru. Negru. Negru.
Then this one is white.
Alb. Alb. Alb.
Now we have gray.
Gri. Gri. Gri.
This one is red.
Roșu. Roșu. Roșu.
Here we have orange.
Portocaliu. Portocaliu. Portocaliu.
This is yellow.
Galben. Galben. Galben.
You can say green like this.
Verde. Verde. Verde.
Now here is blue.
Albastru. Albastru. Albastru.
Then we have purple.
Mov. Mov. Mov.
Next, let's speak some short sentences. It's fine to make mistakes. That's how you learn. Let's try saying, there it is.
Iată.
Now let's say, I have 1 apple.
Am un măr.
Let's say,
Sample complete. Ready to continue?